How to change profile picture on Duolingo app. To change your profile picture on Duolingo app, you have to follow these steps. You could either use an app or a browser version. So I'm going to use the browser. So type in duolingo.com. Then click on the first link that appears. After which, enter in the credential and log into your account. So once logged in, click on the profile or an avatar icon from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. And here you have this profile, right? So click on the pencil shape icon and tap. Now then you could go ahead and make changes. After you've done it, so you could then go and explore all the tools options available, and that way if you are sure about it, click on done and click on the gear icon once again. Go to profile, and here you have this profile, right? So click on change avatar, and if you're sure about it, you want to go ahead and click on the done button, and at the bottom you have these done. So click on done, click on the save button, and you've successfully changed profile picture on Duolingo. That is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.